Ready to supercharge your WhatsApp marketing by switching from Interakt to Aisensy? Let's dive into a seamless migration. First, log into your Interakt account and navigate to your Contacts section. Look for an Export Contacts button, usually found in the settings or a similar area. Click it to download your contact list in a CSV file. This file contains all the essential information of your customers. Open the downloaded CSV file, review the data to make sure all contact details like name, number, and any custom attributes are correctly formatted. Clean up any errors or inconsistencies to ensure a smooth import into Aisensy. Now, head over to your Aisensy account and find the Import Contacts section within the dashboard, usually located under Audience or a similar tab. Click on it to begin the import process. Aisensy will prompt you to upload your CSV file. Select the CSV file you downloaded from Interakt. The platform will then ask you to map the columns from your CSV to the corresponding fields in Aisensy, like phone number, name, and custom attributes. This is crucial for accurate data transfer. Next, it's time to move your message templates in Interakt. Go to your Templates section and copy the content of each template you want to transfer. Then, in Aisensy, navigate to the Template Manager and create new templates. Pasting the content from Interakt, ensure you adhere to Aisensy's template guidelines. Finally, review your account settings in Interakt and replicate them in Aisensy. This includes integrations, team settings, and any other custom configurations. Double-check everything to ensure a smooth transition and avoid any disruptions to your WhatsApp marketing efforts. Now you are all set, ready to enhance your WhatsApp marketing with Aisensy. Like and subscribe for more marketing tips.